Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly. I hope that you like the content that you find on my channel, and if you have not subscribed yet, I hope that you decide to do so. And today I'm sharing with you a recipe for spinach stuffed chicken breast. You need 2 to 4 boneless, skinless chicken breast, a 1/3 cup of chopped spinach, defrosted, and a 1/3 cup of artichoke hearts with 1 clove of minced garlic in that. And this is the brand or the type that I used. A 1/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese and a 1/2 a cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 block of cream cheese, and I like to use this Weber New Orleans Cajun seasoning, but you can use any type of seasoning that you like. Now mix everything up, and like I said, make sure that the spinach, because it was frozen, make sure that you drain it really well, and just make sure you try to incorporate everything. Now I added a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, not much salt because the cheese has salt in it and you don't want it to be too salty. Now once you have that done, add your cream cheese. And I like to cut it in little blocks. It just makes it a little bit easier, and you want it at room temperature, but it makes it a little bit easier to mix up. It will be a little bit thick because of the cheese and the cream cheese. It kind of makes it a little bit of a thickness. Season the back of your chicken first. That way you're not having to turn it over again once you have the mixture stuffed into the chicken. And in order to make the pocket, all I used was a pair of kitchen shears, which I use a lot on my poultry. And just make sure you don't cut it all the way through. You're just wanting a little pocket there to put the mixture in. Now I take a spoon and just start to stuff it as much as I can. So you can put as much or as little as you'd want in it, but I like to put a good bit. And this mixture makes enough for about 3 to 4 chicken breasts. Now when I was stuffing the chicken breast, I put a little bit of a hole in it, so just be careful when you're putting the mixture inside of it. That way you're not tearing the chicken apart.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the table.
Now add whatever seasoning that you decide to use on top. And I like to use a lot of this. It's not very spicy, but it's a very good seasoning. Then I just put a little bit of foil over the top and put it in the oven for about 40 to 60 minutes until your chicken breast is done. It's just going to depend on the size of your chicken for how long it's going to cook. And this is how it turns out. It does spill out just a little bit, but it tastes delicious, and I think you would enjoy this recipe. It's also like a spinach dip that's being put in there, so if you like spinach dip, I think you would enjoy this. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and that notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. And I thank you all so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.